So in this video we're going to be working out the exact values of sine 105. Now in order to do this, what we're going to do, we're going to be making use of these exact value triangles and make use of these identities. Now I'm assuming you know how to expand these, okay? So to find sine 105, the exact value for that, so what we need to do, we need to write this as a sum of two angles of which we know the exact values of. So for example, so we've got 45 plus 60 will give me 105. So now I'm going to use these identities, this identity, sine A plus B, to expand that. So that sine A plus B is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So in other words, this is your A and this is your B. So we have sine of 45 cos of 60 plus cos of 45 sine of 60. The sine of 45, well, that would be opposite, so it's 45 the angle, so that's the opposite over the hypotenuse, so that would be 1 over root 2 times the cos of 60. Well, the cos of 60 is adjacent, so this is the adjacent side for this 60, so that's 1 over 2. Then you have cos of 45, again that's 1 over root 2, and sine of 60 is opposite over hypotenuse, which is root 3 over 2. 2 root 2 plus root 3 over 2 root 2. So my final answer will be, so just put that up as a single fraction, and that will be 2 root 2. And that will be my final answer for that. Next we're going to find cos of 315. So cos of 315, well, we could write this as cos of 45 plus 270. Now, in order to do this, we're going to be using this identity. Now, this is where you have to be careful. So if you've got cos A plus B, that goes to cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. So in other words, this would be cos of 45 cos of 270 minus sine 45 and the sine of 270. Now cos of 45, we already know that is 1 over root 2, so we can get that from our exact value triangle there. And the cos of 270, so if you think of the cos graph, now these are values you, as a higher student, you must know these, okay? So the 270, the cos of 270 is 0. The sine of 45 is also 1 over root 2, because sine would be opposite over hypotenuse. And the sine of 270, well, if you remember the sine graph, so the 270 would be minus 1. So minus makes a positive, so it would be positive 1 over root 2. And that would be my final answer.